What's up, teachers put? You're never late to class? Nobody cares. You got honor roll this semester? Blow me. Save your gluten allergies and take this nut allergy, because this week we're making peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This sandwich goes out for all the people who complained about allergies and wanted their crust cut it off. F you, dude. This is not a pussy sandwich. This is adults only. Adults only. Peanut butter and jelly brings a sense of community. By community, I mean single mothers. Peanut butter, jelly. It's peanut butter and jelly. It's peanut butter. I'm not doing the f***ing song. Stop. You know, when I was a boy, I used to only eat peanut butter sandwiches. No jelly, no crust, super picky. Then one day, I had sex with a woman, and then I started eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches every goddamn day. Grow up. I'm not a psycho, I'm a visionary, and I'm gonna get scoliosis from this. PB&J's the sandwich you got when your mom came home with that guy named Frank. F you, Frank. F you, Frank. F you, Frank. Right. Where's the bacon? Where's the real bacon? It's salty rubber. I've been over this many times. Nice chopped bacon. You like the way I chop that up? This is my ASMR. What's the phrase? Don't cook bacon without a shirt off? What are you, a doctor? Ah. Peanut butter bacon. Did any of you know anybody who put peanut butter on their? Is that a thing? I didn't. Oh my god, god. I'm just kidding. Put some flour in the jam. Gotta make this congeal a bit. Now class, why did I do that? Yes, me at a younger age. 'Cause you like it thick? You, my boy, get a gold star. That's right. Nice and thick. Oh, yeah. The peanut butter's done. The jelly's done. Now it's time for the bread. Brioche. White bread is for food stamps. I'm not on those yet. Wait, what does that say? Oh. Yeah. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm Tsp of Ahole.